Good morning, it's Monday. My blood pressure was really low last Monday. I ended up going and seeing my doctor, and my blood pressure was bottoming out. Hence the reason I was getting lightheaded and weak and everything else. My doctor said I'm pushing myself too hard. That's the reason my blood pressure was crashing, was because I'm pushing too hard. My physical therapist also said that I'm pushing too hard. And I told him I am used to pushing myself. I don't think I'm pushing too hard. Then he explained it to me in an equation that I can better understand. So I'm looking at it like I went from 40 pounds to 60 pounds, and 20 pounds isn't that much. Individually, 20 pounds isn't that much. But then he explained it to me in a way that I understood better. He said, you didn't just go from 20 to 60 pounds. You're increasing the weight by 50%. You're lifting 50% more weight than you were before. 50%. And I went, mind blown. I didn't think of it that way. So if I would have went from 40s to 50s, that would have been a 25% increase, or a 20% increase in weight. Something like that, 25, which is usual, normal. Most people only do like a 10% increase. They'll go from 40s to 45s, which is a 12.5% increase. Or they'll go from 45s to 50s, which is a 12.5% increase. But when you bump it up 50%, that makes a big difference. So my physical therapist made me take the entire week off to let my muscles recover, and my doctor the same. She said, you need to let your muscles fully recover, eat lots of protein and very few carbs at this point, because your muscles need protein to recover. Get plenty of sleep, stay hydrated. I was pushing myself too hard, guys. So I've already done my first workout. My physical therapist told me to drop back down to 5 reps and just do more sets if I feel like I can. So I did my first workout. The presses were really hard. It was hard to get 5 of them, but that was my first workout. I wasn't really warmed up yet. So we'll see. Yeah, so you see, taking a week off, I don't really like just doing 5 reps, but when my physical therapist explained to me that I've increased the weights by 50%, and that's a lot. That's a pretty big jump. Then I realized that, yeah, I'm pushing myself too hard. So I need to slow down. And we're going to stick with 5 reps for a little while. My doctor told me to monitor my blood pressure daily, especially after exercising. So I'll show you what my blood pressure was after my first set. Hopefully you can see that. That's considered healthy, but it's also considered low normal. Just low normal. So have to monitor myself now. Now my physical therapist said, or my doctor said, when I'm exercising, if I start getting lightheaded, you know, like things start to get a little darker, that I need to stop and sit down. And that's happened a couple times just now doing this set. I don't think it has anything to do with how heavy the weights are. I have to be honest. I think it has more to do with my blood pressure just being a little low. So we may have to do something. I don't want to take pills. I told my doctor that. I don't want to take pills. We'll see what happens. But guys, I'm down to 183. I told you my weight was going down now. And because I'm working out heavier and burning more muscle, my body is burning more fat along with the protein that I'm eating. My body's burning more fat because it needs to feed those muscles. So that's awesome. Down to 183. So you'll remember my weight was either steady. When I very first started, my weight was dropping a little bit, and then it kind of leveled out, and then it started climbing a little bit, and I got all the way up to 190. And now I'm dropping again. So as I'm building muscle, my weight goes up. And when I start building more muscle from heavier weights, my weight will actually drop because I'm burning more fat, and it takes longer to build muscle than it does to burn fat. So it's weird. I don't know all the science behind it, but I know that I burned myself out last week. Trying to push myself up to 10 reps. I kind of burned myself out. So I need to be more careful with that. And then I shouldn't say I was forced to take a week off. I took a week off because my physical therapist and my doctor both said, take a week off. You've been busting your ass on the 40 pounds, doing 6 sets a day for 3 months, and now you're jumping up to 60s. You're burning the hell out of your muscles. You need time to recover. I didn't like that. I didn't want to take a week off. So I kind of feel like I was forced to, but at the same time, if I don't do what my doctor and my physical therapist tell me to do, I could end up hurting myself. And that's the last thing I want to do. So we're doing what the doctor and the physical therapist tell me to do. All right. So that's it. That's my second workout. I'm going to do my third workout, and then we're going to call it a day. See, right now, the room's getting just a little bit darker. I'm getting a little lightheaded. I don't like that. But I guess I need to, I don't like that. Gotta check my blood pressure again. See, and I lose my train of thought when that happens. So, I forgot what I was going to say, but I think for now, we're going to stick with 5 reps because I didn't realize that I was increasing the weight by 50%. So we're going to stick with 5 reps for a while. Don't forget to hit the like button, click the subscribe button, share the video. Throw me some love. My whole body just feels tingly. It's really weird. I'm not sure why. I'll talk to my doctor about it, and we'll go from there. I'll see you next week.